Hey legends! Today we're making a pro logo in one click using Canva AI. No skills, no software, 100% free. First, go to canva.com. Log in or sign up. Takes 10 seconds. Done? Cool. Step 1. Canva AI screen. Now click the Canva AI button at the top. You'll see a big box that says, "Describe your idea, and I'll bring it to life." Step 2. Type a simple description, or go to chat and get W-ready prompt. Step 4. Click the one you love. It opens in the editor. Step 5. Download it. Follow my steps. Done! Your logo is ready to use. Smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.